Florencia at the Colony is a luxury high-rise tower located in Pelican Landing and offers first-class amenities such as state-of-the-art fitness center, resort-style pool and spa, barbecue gas grills, social gathering room, guest suites, billiards, movie theater, secured building entry, beach park, canoe and kayak park. This 16th floor unit offers 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 baths with tile floors throughout, granite countertops, upscale appliances, brand new furnishings and 1 garage parking space under building. Enjoy watching the spectacular Florida sunsets from your lanai, which overlooks the Gulf and Bay. Equity Sports membership transfer includes unlimited access to the club's dining and social events, tennis, fitness, spa services and resort-style pool. Limited golf in season, maximum of 6 rounds per household November to April, and unlimited golf May to October. Information contained herein deemed reliable but not guaranteed.